Alright, just doing a second and final example for atom economy. Remember, the formula here is the relative formula mass of your desired product divided by the relative formula mass of all your products times it by 100. Again, this is one of the other ones that you need to memorize. So C3e, percentage yield in atom economy, you need to memorize those formulas. So in this example, the question just says hydrogen is made from methane and steam. That is it. And you're given the formula methane and steam, so methane CH4, 1 carbon, steam is just water, so you have carbon dioxide and hydrogen. It says hydrogen is made from methane and steam. Remember, we can ignore that because we're only looking at the products. Well, what else in the question tells you what do we want? Do we want carbon dioxide or do we want hydrogen? It says hydrogen is made, so hydrogen is our desired. And we've got that going on, okay? Slightly different example here, so we'll do it step by step. You know that H2 means we have 2 hydrogens, okay? Because there is the 4 in the front, that means you have to multiply. So that's 2 times 4, so that means you actually have 8 hydrogens instead of just the 2. So normally, H2 means you have 2 hydrogens, but because there's the 4 in front, that means you multiply. That gives you 8 hydrogens, okay? We've done hydrogen before, very simple. 1 and 1, there's 8 of them. So the relative formula mass for 4H2 is 8. Now, we do the same for CO2. We've done this in a previous example as well. We've got 1 carbon, 2 oxygen. Remember, carbon, 12 and 6, 16 and 8. Top number, so that means 12. We've got 2 of them, so 2 times 16, which is 32. Join the 2 together is 12 plus 32, gives you 44. Now we just plug it into the formula. Our desired is hydrogen, so 8 divided by the total. So the total is going to be carbon dioxide and hydrogen together. So that's going to be 44 plus 8. So that's going to be 8 divided by 52 times it by 100. And the atom economy for hydrogen in this example is 15.2%. Look at that again. Hydrogen is made from methane and steam. This is the formula. Ignore the reactants because you're only looking at the products, carbon dioxide and hydrogen. The question says hydrogen is made, so that's what we want. So that's our desired product. Okay, so H2 means we have 2 hydrogens, but because of the 4 in front, that means you multiply. So 2 times 4 gives you 8. Look it up in the periodic table, top number, 8 times 1 gives you 8. Easy. The other product, carbon dioxide, CO2, 1 carbon, 2 oxygens. Look it up again, top number. So carbon is 12, oxygen is 16, 2 of them, 32. Add them together because it's carbon dioxide, 44. Plug it in, your desired is hydrogen, divided by the total, so carbon dioxide and hydrogen, so 44 plus 8. It gives you 52, times by 100, 15.2%. So that's another simple example. The only difference here, or the only extended bit, is when you have numbers in front. If the number is, or before, I'm sorry, that means you have to multiply. So that's why I've drawn that out there, so you can remember that. So that is atom economy. And that's C3e done.